Many entrepreneurs and small business owners struggle to turn followers into paying clients. Top influencers know the secret: a powerful lead magnet that converts attention into action. Today, I'll show you how to create one on Wix, just like a top influencer. Step 1. Identify an irresistible offer your audience can't ignore, like a free ebook, exclusive template, or mini training. Step 2. Use Wix to design a sleek landing page with a strong headline, clear benefit, and a